Good evening. In this video session, I would like to discuss about numbering system. You have seen in the previous video sessions, I was speaking about everything, whether it is science or any branch of study, the answer will be, conclusion of answer will be a number. So the number could be different types of numbers we have. And the numbering system starts with a natural number. Natural number. Second one is whole number. And third one is real number. Fourth one is rational number. Fifth one is irrational number. Sixth number is complex number. And one of the very fundamental number system is integers. So the answer of any problem, whether it is in science, in chemistry, whatever the branch of study may be, the answer could be in these numbers. The conclusion or framing of based upon any of these numbers. So let us see a number one by one, and so that in our further education we can study what will be the application areas of such type of numbers. Now, basically, what is the complete mathematics is based upon addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. So we'll see how these four can apply to this type of numbers. Now, the natural number will be just counting of numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. That means any system which will begin with number 1 and keeps on going is natural number. It will begin with 1. So always any count will start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. It will keep on going. Okay, but if the system begins with 0 and keep on going, and so on, it is called whole number. So this is something related to counting, this is something related to measurement. That means distance between two objects. It will begin at this object, the measurement will begin with 0 and will keep on going to 7.8 kilometers. Something like that. The object is 12.8 km distance. Okay, that is beginning with 0. Now, here we have only addition part of thing. Okay, and the subtraction cannot be allowed below. You cannot do any, here there is no negative part of thing. If you want to have a negative part of thing, that means if I am doing some subtraction, then it will become integer. So 0 is the number, base number. Right side of it is positive integer. and negative is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. That means I'm having an integer 5. If I want to subtract this 5 with 7, if I want to subtract, that means this is 5. If I want to subtract this with 5, what is the answer? 7. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means from 5 onwards, keep on counting 7 numbers. This is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 2. This is the answer. So the answer is minus 2. Like that, you can do several mathematical subtractions, and there is smaller number can be subtracted from bigger number, giving you a value of negative. So that is what's called integers. After that, we have real numbers. Normally, it's all scientific mathematical calculations. They're all based upon the measuring systems. So the answer will be in a decimal number. So any number between the two natural numbers or two whole numbers is a that means the natural numbers you cannot have any in between values. Mostly whole numbers will be having in between values. So if you have 2 and 3, so here you have 2 and here you have 3. Now between 2 and 3 we have 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.8, 2.9 and 3. So the decimal, if there is a decimal point, it is a real number. Okay. Now, what is rational number? Rational number is a ratio of numerator to denominator. For example, I have a number 24. Okay. Now this can be, based upon this 24, we can have 24 rational numbers. Like 1 by 24, 1 by 23, 1 by 22, sorry, all 2 by 24, 3 by 24, 4 by 24, like that, 23 by 24, 24 by 24. So any number can be having in the rational in the form of rational number. Okay. Now the rational number have a numerator and denominator. So if you take for example 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. 5 by 5 will give a value of 1. Okay. And these are rational numbers. Now what is irrational number? Irrational number is a number which cannot be defined as a rational number. For example, you have root 2. Okay. Root 2. This root 2 value cannot be expressed in rational number. It can be, answer will be in a real number. The answer will be a real number. So root 2, root 3, cube root of 7, things like that. These are irrational numbers. They cannot be defined in terms of, that means the answer, this answer is in the form of any of the rational number, then it cannot be said as a irrational number. So mostly root 2 is a irrational number. Root 3, 7 could be a irrational number. But here if you say root 4, this answer is equal to 2. So this cannot, this is not supposed to be a irrational number. Okay, this cannot be supposed, this should be a, it could be a either whole number or a natural number. Okay, so that is about irrational numbers. Now, I would like to explain about a complex number. Complex number is nothing but adding two numbers. First number is, could be a natural, it could be any real, any number. The other number is multiplied with under root of minus 1, and then these two numbers are added. Okay, so a is one number, plus I am adding this number with square root of minus 1, because we cannot properly define the square root of minus 1. This has some mathematical significance with this minus 1, which is leading to beautiful answers. So minus 1, and with multiplying this number with another number. So this in the mathematics you should not write always minus 1. You can say like a plus ib. This is a complex number. Okay. Now, so you can say 2 plus i3. 2 plus i3. So you see what is because a plus ib are multiplying with a minus ib. So I multiply these two numbers, because if you take the a plus b into a minus b will give us to a square minus b square. Okay, this is the a square minus b square. A plus ib into a minus ib, a square minus, because minus will be there, ib whole square. ib will be whole square. Now I square is what I am squaring this minus 1. It is given the value of minus 1. So this is equal to a square plus b square. That means a square minus of minus b square, b square. So this will be a square plus b square. So this is all about different types of numbers. It will become a numbering system. So we can see in mathematics in further discussions, we'll see what are the different types of mathematics we can perform on these numbers. So this is what I would like to speak something about the numbering system. So thank you for watching the video.